Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Indeed, that is a proper account of the happenings yesterday, and it just turns out that the God that I serve works in mysterious ways. Honorable Speaker, as we were having that debate, this House was not aware that, in fact, the Cabinet Secretary for Health had addressed the National Assembly yesterday morning, in which he confirmed exactly what I said. I requested, Honorable Speaker, that I be allowed facility to play videos today. We have a video of the proceedings in the National Assembly yesterday. I also requested, Honorable Speaker, for the Hansard from the National Assembly. As of the the commencement of the House this afternoon, I was told that the Hansard from the National Assembly was not ready, but I have a letter here that I wrote to the Clerk of the National Assembly requesting that record of those proceedings be made available. When we started these proceedings, I had approached the desk to ask them whether they should have the flash disk delivered up there for the video to be played of the Cabinet Secretary, indeed confirming that despite the court order, that project is proceeding. So, Mr. Speaker, at this particular juncture, I request that I table both the letter to the Clerk of the National Assembly requesting the proceedings and the video of the Cabinet Secretary for Health, the Honorable CS Duale, confirming that the project will indeed proceed.
Okay, you may proceed to table.
Mr. Speaker, with your permission, I do hereby table a video recording of the proceedings of the National Assembly yesterday, Wednesday, the 3rd of June, 2026, and a letter to the Clerk of the National Assembly, the Honorable Samuel Njoroge, CBS, requesting for Hansard recordings of the said proceedings. I hereby table.